Ready to adjust your Fiverr pricing to better reflect your value and attract the right clients? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to update your gig pricing strategically without losing your current ranking or customer base. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Pricing is one of the most important aspects of your Fiverr business. It affects both your perceived value and your actual earnings. Let me walk you through the smart way to adjust your prices for maximum profitability. First, access your gig editor by going to your Fiverr profile and selecting the gig you want to update. Click Edit Gig and navigate to the Packages and Pricing section where you can modify your basic, standard, and premium package prices. Research current market rates for similar services before making changes. Look at what other successful sellers in your category are charging, and consider your experience level, quality of work, and delivery speed when setting your new prices. Update your package descriptions to justify any price increases. Clearly explain the value and benefits included in each package, and consider adding new features or faster delivery options to support higher pricing. Make changes gradually rather than sudden large increases. If you need to significantly raise your prices, consider doing it in smaller increments over time to avoid shocking your existing customer base. A crucial pro tip: when raising prices, grandfather in your existing customers by honoring your old rates for their repeat orders. This builds loyalty while allowing you to attract new clients at your updated pricing. Also, update your gig images and description to reflect any new premium features you've added to justify the price change. And just like that, you've strategically updated your pricing to better match your skills and market value. Smart pricing adjustments can increase your earnings while attracting more serious buyers who value quality work. If this guide helps you optimize your Fiverr pricing strategy, please give it a like. How do you determine the right price for your Fiverr services? Share your pricing strategies in the comments below. To continue building your service offerings, subscribe for our next video on how to create gig packages on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.